Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this green bean casserole. So this is a really simple recipe, and it will feed a lot of people. It's a double recipe, so we're going to do 4 cans of green beans, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And if you want to change up the flavor a little bit, you could do like a can of cream of mushroom soup. You could do a can of cream of chicken soup. You could mix up your soups so that it's like a little bit different. You could also add in some fresh mushrooms, which I think would be a great idea, so that it has some more mushroom flavor. If that's what if you like that in your casserole, it's really up to you. You want to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And if you wanted to, you're going to add some garlic and onion powder as well. If you wanted to, you could add some fresh garlic. You could add some fresh onion. You're going to add some chicken stock and some milk. And then some French fried onions. But you could also add some cayenne pepper if you wanted to make it a little bit spicy. And the other good thing about this is you can make this in a slow cooker, or you can make this ahead of time and like put it in your fridge and wait to bake it until the day of too. So it's something that you can prep early. You can substitute the milk, like if you wanted to use a powdered milk or evaporated milk, you can. Really, yeah, you could even use like oat milk if you wanted to. Just make sure that it's not like vanilla flavored. That would not be good. And then you want to put all of that in your dish after you get it mixed up, and then you want to top the top with more fried onions. I didn't put a measurement on the fried onions because the limit does not exist for fried onions. And then you're going to bake that at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes, just until it's bubbly and the top, it's nice and done. And there it is. If you want to see more excellent Thanksgiving recipes, be sure to check out loavesandishes.net, and thanks for watching.